Hey guys, Ricardo here, and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. And today, guys, I have the Switch 2 here. So, of course, as it relates to the screen protector installation, number one, remember that there's a screen protector already on the Switch 2, but that's to protect the glass from shattering. So, therefore, we're not gonna trouble that. And of course, I have this set right here, which is the Switch 2 case. I have a separate unboxing of this, and inside we have two screen protectors. So we're going to install one right now. So it's brand new, straight outside of the box. So it comes with this nice guide. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start the process. All right, so we're going to need this right here. We're going to need the guide, and of course we're also going to need this to remove dust. We're going to need the wet dry wipes. All right, and we get two sets of everything, so you can actually separate these. All right, now try to use a environment that's as sterile as possible, meaning no dust, no dirt, no lint. All right, and as best as possible, you're going to start off first with the wet to then the dry. All right, so we're going to remove dust, and we're going to use the stickers here. All right, so we're going to start off the process. So we're going to go ahead and simply remove your wipes. They're very easy. All right, so we're going to remove the first one. So this is the wet one. All right, so the wet one. All right, even if the screen is already pristine, it doesn't really matter. Go ahead and clean, because there might be microscopic dust that you're not seeing. All right, so we're going to wipe. All right, so once you wipe the screen, try to do it in straight lines. All right, we can put this aside. Then we're going to use the dry. All right, do not do this in open air, as it'll be prone to lint. All right, and you're going to use the dry and simply move it back and forth. All right, you can actually look at the screen at different angles to make sure that you're not getting any lint. All right, so this is the guide. It should snap right on. All right, and it slides on nicely. All right, make sure your hands are clean as well. And of course, this is the screen protector itself. Hold it by the edges. All right, and here it says the back. Back would mean the section that's going to be placed face down. I'll try to read it, what it says. It says, please pull off the mask of this sticker. All right, meaning that the other side would be, and of course it's good to line it up before to make sure it will actually hold. Tools. So go ahead and you're gonna peel. So you notice it comes off very nicely. All right. And what we're gonna do here is we're gonna align it. And you're gonna go down. And you're gonna use the wipe. So you're gonna allow it, notice there's a line. Allow it to naturally flow. Don't force it. All right. All right. So you notice it's right here now. And we're gonna work out all the extra bubbles. There's one bubble here. There's one now, it's there seated. All right, there you go, beautiful. So the only problem I have is one here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make sure it's gone. There you go, it's gone. All right, flawlessly. And you're gonna make sure you cover every square inch of the screen. This works just like a phone install. Steadier hands the better, and the cleaner the environment the better. All right, Now, of course, this case, in case you're wondering which case it is, you can go over the channel. I'll also link in the description which case and combo it is. It's very affordable. It came in, I'm not sponsored by the way by them, so just make sure you take your time, make sure you get those edges. All right, and it's a good idea to invest in one of these because the switch costs so much, so therefore you don't want to break it. All right, so once that's done, we're going to take up all of these, and you have the guide here. We can actually remove the guide now. Carefully remove the guide, and look at that. It's as if there's nothing on the screen. All right, and just go back through your work to make sure, just in case if you lift anything, you don't miss anything. All right, remember this is also a touch screen, so you want to get this as flawless as possible. No air bubbles, and of course no trouble spots. All right, so let's review the work. So as you can see here, all right, I did not bad. So there's no air bubbles, it's pristine, and everything is up and running. All right, so this has been how to install the screen protector on your Switch 2, and of course a brand new Switch 2. So this kit, I'll place them in the description, and they work flawlessly. I'll give this install a 10 out of 10. As to the functionality of the screen protector, first impressions, I would easily give it a 10 out of 10. Everything was in place except there was no guide, but you can find those on YouTube. All right, such as mine. All right, so see you in the next one, guys. Bye.